Hey guys, it's me again, Reza, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I don't know if you guys can read it. I don't know if it's readable, but we are gonna put on the glitter mask, Glam Glow's glitter mask. I don't know if you've heard of that, but it's a mask na nag-glitter. Kaya nga glitter mask. But yeah, it's a face mask that has glitters on it. I saw it on Violetta's Insta story. If you don't know who Violetta is, girlfriend ni Angel Elgort. If you don't know who Angel Elgort is, siya yung lalakas to John Green, to The Fault in Our Stars. And then she posted a snap with the glitter mask on. Tapos nainggit ako. I gave in because it looked cool. So yeah, I got myself one then because I wanted to try. So yeah, I've been wanting to try it for a while now, but I wanted to film it, so we're doing that today. I just got home from all the errands and I'm really tired. I went to the French embassy today, and I also went to my follow-up checkup for my eyes. Because if you guys don't know yet, I had LASIK done last month. So, okay, nag-loading ah. So I had LASIK done last month, so yeah, pagod na me. Also, I'm not filming with my ring light today, so this is natural lighting. Wala lang, share lang. Because tinamad ako, and my ring light is over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's there. Okay, the ring light is there. So yeah, medyo tamad ako. So I'm just using the sun right now. And it's pretty good. Pretty good. Dami ko na namang sinasabi. Okay, so when I checked the website for the price, it was really expensive as hell. So it was around 4,000, and sabi ko I would not spend that much on a face mask na hindi ako sure kung okay ba talaga. So what I did was I just got the sample version because I have no money. Feel ko like sayang pera if I got 4,000 pesos na mask, and then I just want to try it. So I just got the sample version, but please don't laugh at me because it's really small, kaya sample. But yeah, here it is. But I really wanted to try it kasi sobrang cute talaga niya, promise. You guys will be makikitaan din kayo mamaya. Wait. But yeah, I just got the sample one, so it says Sephora here. And then this is the product. So yeah. Okay, so let's open this tiny little thing. So yeah, this is what we are gonna try today. I know it's really small, but look here. So this is the sample of the Glam Glow glitter mask. So it's black and then it has glitter. Okay, so oh, it's falling. So yeah, this is what the product looks like, and we are gonna put this on my beautiful face. So yeah, I will pop like the picture of the real box somewhere. So yeah. Okay, so I googled what this does kasi sample nga lang yung binili ko. Ito lang siya, walang box or whatsoever. So what it does is it makes your skin tighter, toned, and more lifted. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this, even if it's tiny. And then let me just wash my face. So makeup removed, squeaky clean. So let's put on the mask, the glitter mask. So okay, so I'm just gonna use a brush to apply it. It smells really good. It smells like the other Glam Glow that I've tried, the silver one. So let's put this on my face with a brush. Look at that. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Ooh. Oh gosh. Look at this. Wow. That's cute. Oh wow. Oh my god. I'm so sleepy, but I will sleep after this video. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, that kind of stinks. Medyo mahapde. But I read that it's normal though. It's really mahapde for the first few minutes. So, okay. Okay, I am done. Oh wow, this is so cool. I think kaya ko lang ito binili. Kasi cool. I don't know if you can see it, but... And... See? Glitter, glitter. But yeah, medyo nagsisting siya kanina. When I first applied it, medyo nagsisting siya. Now, hindi na masyado. Okay, so now it's really tight. Like, I can't move my face na masyado. But yeah. Glitter, glitter. Peep that glow. Okay, now my face is really, really tight na. So, I can't smile or talk masyado. Okay, so while waiting, let's play this song. Okay, tama na. Okay, so 20 minutes have passed and I can't talk that much na. So, I forgot to mention kanina na it's a peel-off mask. So, I don't have to wash my face or like whatever. And it's completely dry. And I can't really talk properly na and my face is really tight. So, let's peel it off. How do I start? Okay, I'll start here. How do I peel this off? Like, I can't. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay, it's peeling. Okay, it's peeling. Okay, this is gonna take forever. But yeah, wait. This is pretty cool. Wow. This is taking forever. I'm the glitter monster. So, okay. Okay, my skin is kind of flushed. But normally, after a face mask, medyo red talaga face ko. Okay, almost done. Look. Look. Done, almost done, almost done. Just a little bit. Why is this so sticky? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the mask. It looks disgusting now. So, okay, it's finally off. But I have a mustache, so wait lang. So this is like the peeled off glitter mask. So okay, so this is my face after the glitter mask. So medyo flushed siya. Flushed. Medyo like red. But that's how my face usually is after a mask. So, okay. So, I think, I don't know if it did any difference though. Like, I'm not sure if it did any difference. But I think my skin feels smoother and it's soft. So, and I think the only reason that it has glitter, pang Instagram lang. But yeah, it's cute naman. Like, for one-time thing, of course, why not? But I would not buy like the whole thing kasi 4,000 yun. Yung tub na yun. But yeah, for the sample, I mean, I don't regret it. At least na-try ko. It was worth a try for trying purposes only. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash the tira-tira and I'll see you guys later. Wait. Okay, so squeaky clean. So, okay, now I think it kind of did a difference kasi medyo glowy yung face ko and it's, I don't know, it's really glowing now compared to kanina. Hindi ba? So, yeah. I just wanted to try it because I'm a little kid and I just wanted to share with you guys my experience with it and my thoughts. And my final thought is, it's really cool to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.